Y, A, B, C, come sing with me. Let's learn letters A to Z. Clap your hands and follow along. Sing out loud, let's learn this song. A is for apple, red and sweet. B is for ball, rolling down the street. C is for cat, soft and small. D is for dog who loves to chase a ball. E is for elephant, big and strong. F is for fish, swimming all day long. G is for goat, climbing up high. H is for hat that sits up in the sky. O-I-E-C, come sing with me. Letters are fun as you can see. Point to the letters, say them out loud. Let's learn together, make Mama proud. Is for igloo, cold and white. J is for jam, oh what a sight. K is for kite, flying so high. L is for lion, roaring nearby. M is for moon, shining so bright. N is for nest, where birds sleep at night. O is for orange, juicy and round. P is for panda, rolling on the ground. O-A-B-C, come sing with me. We're learning fast, just wait and see. Clap your hands, stomp your feet. Sing along to the alphabet beat. I is for queen with a golden crown. R is for rabbit, hopping up and down. S is for sun, shining so bright. T is for tiger with stripes black and white. U is for umbrella, keeping us dry. V is for violin, let's give it a try. W is for watch, ticking so slow. X is for xylophone, playing a tune we know. V is for yo-yo, spinning up and down. Z is for zebra, running through town. Now we know our ABCs. Sing them loud, just like me. A, B, C, D, E, and F. Keep on learning, don't forget. Next time when you sing along, you'll remember this fun song. A-B-C, come sing with me. Letters are fun as you can see. Point to the letters, say them out loud. Let's learn together, make Mama proud.